types of music. That's a fact. But you see right now, the people want soca.
Aruba y mundo completo nos está aquí en Broward County, cerca de Miami, más o menos media hora. Nos está cubriendo Miami Carnaval 2023 y nos está aquí en Jouvert Morning. Pacheto de Maíta, Jouvert Morning a começar e nós também temos também aqui rato e assim nós também mostramos como é o ambiente de Jouvert Morning aqui na Miami.
El Jouvert Morning di Miami tem alguma diferença. Un'inanta, por exemplo, para participar em Jouvert Morning, botinho quis grupo e botinho paga. No caso aqui, a organização também põe por diferentes pontos de Miami, bus não disponível para que haja o tráfego mais tranquilo na área de Jouvert Morning. Depois de acorrer mais ou menos meia hora de bus, você chega no parque, onde que Jouvert Morning toma lugar. Depois de abaixo de bus, a cana basta rato para chegar na entrada, onde que aqui não está controlado naturalmente se botinho boa entrada. Tanto se você quer walk a Jouvert como participar em Jouvert, botinho paga por entrada. Depois de chequeio de controle, você entra no parque e busca o truck na onde que botar. 24horas.com te vai mostrar ticket de ambiente que você tem durante o Jouvert Morning, que você começa a cheto de Maíta.
I come from brass festival and from customs and from flour mills. Was a fed fire fit and licensing fit and them had a power pill. Everybody gone nice and groovy bunchy, only pushing power still. If it's me, you don't leave me with power on a hill. I ain't come here for no stand up. I come to party with my hand up. So all soca people put your two one in the air. Your two one in the air. Your two one in the air. I never come here for no stand up. I come to party with my hand up. All soca people put your two one in the air. Your two one in the air. All soca lovers do this. Show me your hand. 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 All I know is pace. Feathers rough like sea. Going out all night, no go home before 3. When one fed done, we start a soca spray. So we go with way. We no ask why, we no question mark, we take why with apostrophes. Get gal with more lyrical content than Socrates. She could have shaped like a triangle with a cosine of isosceles. Any other thing different, when that is blasphemy. I ain't come here for no stand up. I come to party with my hand up. So all soca people put your two one in the air. Your two one in the air. Your two one in the air. All soca lovers do.
Boss, I'm not coming to work today. I can't see. No, nothing wrong with my eyes. I just can't see myself coming to work today. Thank you. In other words, I'm not doing one raw soul today. Don't tell me about work, I out on the road today. Me and some pretty beaches, I out on the boat today. I don't care what time of day it is, I'm drinking rum today. Having fun today. Yeah! Holiday, today is a holiday. I don't care what nobody say, I'm not going to work today. Holiday, today is a holiday. I don't care what nobody say, I'm not doing no work today. I'm on the road, yeah. To the beach, yeah. To the club, yeah. Pool party, bus crawl. Uptown, yeah. Downtown. If it's your birthday, turn up. Get drunk till your face get numb. When my crew they come around, drinks up and sing along. Holiday, today is a holiday. I don't care what nobody say, I'm not going to work today. Holiday, today is a holiday. I don't care what nobody say, I'm not doing no work today.
Say we like all types of music. That's a fact. But you see right now, the people want soca. Nothing but soca. All we want is soca. Nah, this is a soca party. Yeah, party. Soca people, hands up there. All are we in the soca party. When we fitting, that is all we want to hear. Get them soca in there. Soca in there. Soca in there. Soca
Y de forma aquí, no está saliendo por el parque donde el Jouvert Morning a tomar lugar. No estaba tan hopi más limpio, pero no atira ferro ribanos, no atira puro ribanos y esa es naturalmente la parte de lo que está el Jouvert Morning. más que 10 grupos, miles y miles de gente con hop y sonido hasta de cosas de un Jouvert Morning formando parte de Miami Carnaval. 24horas.com presente aquí fuera de Miami para presentar un tiki de Carnaval de Miami.
Jumping them down.